that's, my level of what I think I can do it to probably what is some people's reality is different. You know what I mean? And I think that's where the diag thing is. It's like, can you diagnose? Yeah, I hook the code reader up or I hook the scan tool up and it says an oxygen sensor code and I go under there and I change oxygen sensor. And then I come back with it's like my thing will say, well, I've had these cars that, had no codes, but I could tell that it was doing this or it was doing that, or this was the problem by these tests that I did. That's where it's, and so what I find is I sit down now with a lot of shop owners and I say, I can rhyme off these tests that I do on every car. Some look at me and go, sweet. Another look at me and go, what are you talking about? That's a very telling thing for me because I know kind of then how you guys operate too, right?
Absolutely.
It's funky that way. Like I don't do transmissions. I can take them out, put them in, but I obviously I don't rebuild them. That's Jimmy Purdy's, neck expertise. Like he's the training guy. What does a shop owner really want though from a tech, an A tech?
That's again going back to the productivity. How many hours can they turn? The diagnosing. That's the biggest one that we see. I mean, every time I speak with the shop, it's 5 to 10 plus years of diagnosing.
Mm-hmm.
If you could really hone in, one key advice for a B tech coming up, we can all change brake pads. We can pop in and out, struts, ball joints, all that. You really need to put your time and focus into the diagnostic portion of the business. That's where you're going to make your money.